Welcome to Integrity Maths Solutions, where we answer question papers to help you understand and help you better prepare for your exams. Today we are going to be looking at the NSC Maths exam from 2020. We are going to be answering question 1 of paper 1 from that year. So question 1 typically deals with solving equations and inequalities, solving simultaneous equations, and applying your laws of exponents in some cases. So in this video, we are going to focus on solving question 1.1.1, where we will be answering the question, solve for x, where the equation is x squared minus 6x equals 0. And then in the upcoming videos, we will be continuing to answer the remaining sub-questions of question 1. So let's begin. Question 1.1.1. So in this question, we are required to solve for x, and our equation is x squared minus 6x equals 0. Okay, so we're going to take this step by step. Now, what we need to remember here is we know that the standard equation or the standard quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, in this case, you will have all three terms of your quadratic equations, which is the ax squared plus bx plus c terms. Now, in this case, we only have the ax squared term, which in this case is x squared. The bx term is the minus 6x, and the c value is 0. As you can see here, we only have these two. Now, in this case, what you need to do is identify the common factor between the two terms, the highest common factor between the two terms, and then you factor that out. Now, you need to remember that whenever you factor out or whenever you're factorizing, you are dividing by the highest common factor. So I'd like you to think of it like this. If we identify our highest common factor for this equation or this expression right here, you will identify it as x, right? So x is the highest common factor. Now, how do we take it out? How do we remove it? And how do we know what's left behind after factoring out the greatest common factor, or the highest common factor in this case? Now, what you need to do is remember that whenever you are taking out the common factor, you are actually dividing by that common factor in all the terms you are factorizing from. So here you are factorizing x, taking out x from the expression. So that means that this x will cancel with one of the products of x squared, and this x value will also cancel with that one. They divide each other. Now, what will you have remaining? So you factored out the x. After factorizing the x out of the expression, here you are left with only 1x minus, well, this x divided with that x, so now you're left with 6. So that is the expression you would have. So coming back to the equation, here you will have your x. Now, we already know what happens here. We will have x minus 6 equals 0. Okay. Now we have factorized the equation, this expression of the equation. So if x times x minus 6 equals 0, that means that either the monomial or the binomial is equal to 0. So that means that it's either x is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So here we already have our value x equals to 0. And on this side, we will have x. Okay, so we transpose the 6 to the other side of the equal sign. So if we move it to this side, the sign changes. If it's negative on this side, it will be positive on the other side of the equal sign. And if it were positive on this side, then it would be negative after you move it to the other side of the equation. So these are our values of x for this equation. So the values of x are x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 6. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for question 1.1.2. See you there.